Welcome friends. In this video, we are going to discuss about some Python functions, string functions, how these string functions work and behaves on by using the strings of characters. Let's check. First is the capitalize, second is the case fold, third is the center, fourth is the count, fifth is the encode, sixth is the ends with. There's a other lots of functions are present, but till currently I go through these six functions and how it functions are works on string handling text. Okay, so string means is a collection of characters. String, what is the string? String means a collection of characters. So all the functions are behaves how the characters are generally move or changes by using these functions. So first function is capitalize. So let's check how this capitalize impact on the group of characters. If the characters are present, our beginning letters will be the capital. If it is going to be small letter. Okay, if the character is a small letter, the capitalized function is generally converted to the beginning. Capitalized function is converted to the capital. Okay, the beginning letters will be the capital. So how it going to be convert? First see. So write down one text txt equal to hello, welcome to Python, welcome to Python. Fine. Now I am going to print bracket text dot capitalize. Okay, text dot capitalize. Then what it returns? Yes, hello, welcome to Python. This is already in capital. So I changes it to the small. Then see what happened. Okay. Okay, hello, welcome to Python. Means the beginning letter of the particular string or word in a particular sentence, it is going to be capital if it is in small letter. If it is small, then it converted to the capital. Fine. Another time, hello, welcome to Python. Another time, hello, welcome to capital. Welcome to Python. Okay. So this is text dot capitalize. Then next we move on to the case fold. But how case fold function is going to be work? So let's already write down the text, written the text. I am using the text print, then inside text dot case fold. Fine. So see how the case fold function is going to work. Hello, welcome to Python. Fine. So here no cases are going to be changed. So first I am write down this text another time, text equal to hello, welcome to Python. Fine. Now see. Understand? Here every word inside this particular sentence is capital. When you are going to use case fold function, each word inside the sentence is changes to the small letter. Fine. This is the work of case fold. Okay, you understand the capitalize function, and now case fold function. Then move to the center. Then move to the center function. Text equal to hello. Now print text dot center 20. Here I have given the width where the text is going to be print in the console. Okay, means 20 means it is given the width of that particular line where it is going to be print as a center. Okay, now I am run the code. See, this is the 20 characters from the left and here also. Okay, if I go for the 50, then it shows you 50 characters, okay, from the left, and it comes to the center. That's why this function is works on the center purpose. Now next, text equal to apple is a fruit, apple is my favorite. Okay, now print text dot count. Inside the count you have to write the text, that is apple, and it is going to print that this apple word, how many times it appear this particular sentence or inside the text. I will take it as a text dot count, then apple, how many times the word is appeared inside that particular sentence. So here returns to the 2. So let's see what is going to be written. Yes, it is returns to you 2. Okay, so this is the way the count is work. Count generally works on the text or sentence, how many number of times a particular word which are generally appear inside the paragraph or inside the sentence. Count that particular word number of times. Then comes to the encode. Text equal to, suppose there is a word like this. I already write this here, stale. This is the one word you want to encode this particular word. So print text dot stale, sorry, encode. Fine. So now see how it is going to be encoded. So this is the encoded form, that particular text. Okay, this is the encoded form. Why we need encoded? For the security reason. Okay, when your data enter to the system, that is going to be encoded. When the data is coming to view on a console or a monitor, it will be decoded. Okay, so when your data transfer in a network, in a cable, anywhere, that is in the form of encode, and when it is entered to the system, they decode. Then when it is also process it, then it is entered to the encode system to decode, then it is come to the on the form of which user can understand. Fine, so this is the encode. Then ends with very interesting function, text apple is my favorite food, full stop. Now print text dot ends with, okay, ends with means here is true. If dot is present at the end of this particular sentence, yes, present, then it is returns you true. If not present, suppose here not present, what happened? It returns you false. That's it. So I already complete all the functions which are given here. Okay, 6 functions. I guess that you understood all the functions, how it work, how is the principles of all the functions. If any doubt, all the functions inside this all what are given in this video. On upcoming times there is other string functions also. I am going to make and write the Python code and making that video. Okay, if have any doubt, go to the comment box, type there. Please like and share this video, subscribe this channel, click on the bell icon. When I upload any video, future videos, you got the message or notification. Thank you.